Yeah, go ahead. Let the people know what your name is, man.
Yeah, my name Money Zeus. This is my track right here with Big Wayne. It's called Sick for That Money.
Okay, that's what it is, man. Live, free the ground world. You know what it is.
Hey, Day Rocker, turn me up a little bit.
Yeah, what they do.
Let's do it right there.
Money Zeus, Big Wayne.
What up, Zeus? What up? Big Wayne in this bitch.
If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. But end up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. But end up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. I messing with them bitches, kept my mind on my riches, and now my own boss of the work I be pitching. Only pussies were built for snitching. Now 28 of that roller, have your bitch ass missing. For family and business, they gotta keep their distance, cause even family and friends will turn for them dead presidents, and I ain't safe up in my residence. I'm living with that fire for protection, cause them devils out to get me. Lord forgive me, but don't ask me why. All I see is hate in they fucking eyes. Won't let the ego or the money make me switch sides. Texas on and let me got me feeling right in them streets where it's hard to sleep at night. If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. But end up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. But end up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. Be on my mind, stack it up and let it up. Shit, I love the grind. That's all the time, I ain't hustling this ahead, bitch. 24/7, man, trapping to the man. Nigga, fuck these hoes. Since day one, they ain't come around. That's why I'm thugging by myself. Looking sick for that money. And drop her off with her cousin. Where your stash spot at? And now your stash spot here. Get your mind right. If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. End up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. If you want a ball, you gotta save your money. Fuck around with them dirty hoes, you ain't gon' have nothing. But end up looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money, looking sick for that money. Yeah, free world underground, we're looking out pimpin'.
Yeah, you know what it is, man. Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I appreciate it, pimp.
Yeah. Got this nigga up on camera one time. You know
Yeah,
what
man,
it is,
I appreciate it, pimp.
Money Zoo. Okay. And let the people know where you from, man.
Yeah, I'm from Miami-Dade County, you hear me? You know, I fuck with everybody in Florida. I fuck with people all the way in Georgia, all the way in Louisiana, too, in New Orleans. I did this track here with Big Wayne from Badass ENT, you know, Boosie producer and shit, looked out for me, put me on right quick.
Yeah, it's a fire-ass trap, man. So if they want to hear your music or learn more about you, how they can get in touch with you?
They got to go to SoundCloud, Zeus Gotta Get It, featuring Big Wayne, Sick for That Money. I got also another song called Fuck Friends Is Me with my homeboy named Coop, you know what I'm saying, representing the South, doing it for everybody.
Coop, you gonna rock with us tonight, man? You gonna do that shit? Yeah. Alright, you know what I'm
Yeah, I
saying?
appreciate everything though, you hear me?
Hey, that's what it is, man. That's what we do it for. The artists come through, man, do that shit, man. That shit was loud. I like that shit. I'm starting to tell the hoes that shit like, hey, bitch, but I see you sick for that money. You know what I mean? You know, be sick for that money. They do everything for that shit. That's what it's Free the Ground World. Mr. Magic, we live rocking. We got Money Zoo in the building, man. We gonna back that thing up one more time.
Yeah, smoke one.
Hey, Day Rocker, turn me up a little bit.